What boats we find today at the St. Petersburg, Florida boat show?
That would be something that.
So Zodiac, these are fun. This is where I wanted him to do the sailing clinic.
Yeah, big old tour boat right here. Oh, here's the jet ski. Here's the jet ski we were looking at.
Like for fishing.
Nice fishing jet ski. Got this big tour boat. Yeah. Nice sea hunt with the 300. Yes. Can I go inside? Huh? This is a sea fox we were looking at last week. Nice, has a 200 on it. Keith over there. Guy we were talking to last week for it. Pretty nice boat, has a 200 on it. Yeah. This boat right here, 600. That is a nice boat. It's a nice boat. Let's see what the engines are on it. They're having a party on it and everything. Big, three 600s. Damn, that is a nice boat. We're gonna get a 180 of this big hunk of junk.
It's got the metal guards on the side.
Yeah, pretty nice. Huge. It has big V's, so it won't get bounced around when we're out. Alright, so we're checking out this Robalo. It has a nice 250 on it. I was talking to the salesman, Mr. Stewart. Really nice feller. This is, I believe, 24 feet. Has a nice head on it. Ugh. Toilet and everything. Let's go take a look. Look out the port window. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Got a toilet on it. Got a table. It has 12 rod holders, which is good for fishing. And it will go upwards of, I don't know how many miles, but fast. That can hold 8 people. Pretty nice boat. This is a beautiful boat right here. And American flag on it. America! Here's another nice Sea Fox. Has a 300 on it. Check out the front. Nice front. Pretty much the same. Some rod holders? No, it does not have rod holders. That's gonna be a problem. A lot of smaller boats over here. Except this one. This one's good. Got 2 300s on it. Big front. Nice looking.
What are you filming?